Hey guys, if you like to party and the stock block is what you're trying to go fast on, we have a new brand for you here, Stock Block the World. Go to the link in the video and support us. It should eventually lead to t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel. What's up guys? So we're here on New Year's Day. We are closed, but it means we're still open for race car. So where we're at, we got the strut towers all but done. The other night we cut the roof off, which is a video on that. And now it's time to remove the firewall. It'll still be a stock location, but smoothing is allowed. And we're going to take care of that along with the cow area. Alright guys, check it out. John has got the firewall cut out. And it's to be said, we plan to do a internal reservoir and stuff, so that's one reason we're doing the smooth firewall. Because from the factory you can tell the reinforce on this piece where the brake master cylinder comes through, but we're not going to have that set up anymore. But it's about 4 pounds for that, so not too shabby. The stuff we're replacing it with is 024 mild steel, so it'll be a little bit lighter for that area, and not to mention it'll look better. Another update guys, John and Sammy came over and they kept chopping, and they got the cow out and also made a template for the firewall. It'll be 024 steel, which will be legal for NHRA, but then we'll get this in place, get it cut in place, get an idea what we're going to do for the cow, and then we can start on cutting the floor. So guys, last update of the day, John and Sammy, they made a lot of progress on the firewall. Let me show you here. Right now it's just clecoed in along with the what was the cow area, as far as the plastic piece from the factory sits right in that area, and that's all gone now, and we'll make another piece to meet this contour here and fill that in, and eventually this will all get spot welded back in. We still got to cut the floor out and all that stuff, but nonetheless this thing turned out awesome for the first time we've ever done something like that. I'm pretty excited. I don't know what that weighs over what we cut out, but I would say, I think the other piece is, what was it, like 10 pounds total?
10 for the top and 4 for the bottom.
Okay, so about 14 pounds came out. So I'd say 14 pounds out, and we'll probably add it back. A couple, what, 3 or 4 maybe?
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5 pounds.
I should have weighed it.
So not a ton of weight, but once again, you know, every pound counts. But good progress on New Year's Day. So guys, it's Saturday morning here. It's January 4th. As you can tell, got most of the carpet out of this thing, got the wiring out, most of it, and now we're getting ready to cut all this bracing out right here. So we've heard there's about 8 pounds up there, so we'll verify that. And then the floor, I don't know how much weight there's going to be there. I'm hoping a ton. It's probably an ultra lightweight race edition, and we won't lose any weight because it seems everything on this car is lighter than everybody says it will be. But we're going to try. So as you guys can see, been a lot of progress made. The metal that John's working on now, as you can tell, it runs down just a little bit, so he's trying to get that out. So we can take as much advantage of this opportunity as possible to get weight out. Right now, that little pile is right over 8 pounds, 8.4 pounds. So it looks like we might break 10, maybe 10, 11, 12 pounds on it. So definitely worthwhile when you combine to the fact we've already got 26 out as it is, the roof alone. Alright guys, after a long day of drilling out spot welds and cutting, John finally got the remainder of the roof structure off. I think it weighed in at 13 pounds, which is pretty cool. Puts us at 39 pounds out of the roof. I was able to go through and weld a few bars up I couldn't fully reach before since we did this thing in stages and the roof was on. But so that's where we're at. There's definitely a lot out of the way. As you can tell, she's a little wobbly, but we'll take care of that. But glad this portion's done at least.